Zuzu woke up extra excited today. It was his first big bus ride. Mumu stretched her little paws, meowed happily, and jumped into Zuzu's backpack. Her favorite spot. Ready, Mumu? Zuzu giggled. Meow! She was definitely ready. Outside, a shiny yellow bus rolled up with a cheerful beep beep. The doors opened with a whoosh, and Zuzu climbed in, holding Mumu close. Inside the bus, everything felt magical. Pie and colorful seats, wide big windows with endless views, bright friendly passengers smiling and waving. The bus started moving, slow at first, then rumble, rumble down the road. Zuzu peeked out the window and pointed. Look, Mumu, trees, birds, houses, cars. Mumu pressed her tiny paws on the glass and purred as the world zoomed by. At the next stop, animals hopped on the bus too. A bunny wearing a tiny hat, a giraffe squeezing through the door, and a little duck holding a snack. Everyone said, "Good morning, Zuzu. Good morning, Mumu." Zuzu and Mumu sat with the bunny and duck, singing fun songs while the bus went beep beep, chug chug, zoom zoom, let's go. They bounced gently as the bus climbed a hill, then giggled as it rolled down again like a soft roller coaster. Finally the bus reached the big bright play park. Zuzu hopped off, Mumu leaped onto his shoulder, and all the animal friends followed. "Thank you, Mr. Bus Driver," they said, waving happily. The driver smiled and replied, "Have a fun day, little explorers." Zuzu and Mumu looked at each other. The adventure had just begun, and all their new friends were ready to explore too.